Hey guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa On Hotel dito sa Clark. So ito yung itsura ng hotel natin. Actually, okay naman if you want a private pool with okay din yung parking. So yung parking is okay lang. So we'll be here. So ito yung entrance. Pagpasok mo ng entrance, yan. So pagpasok mo ng pintuan, ito yung bubungad sa iyo. Yan guys. So meron tayong sofa set here. Tapos sa left side, merong okay din na pool kasi private na. So you can chill here. Okay, so alright, so ayun, medyo lumang hotel na siya. So siyempre manage your expectation din, pero okay pa siya, maganda siya. So ayan. So yung rooms ay 4 big rooms. So meron isang masters dito, which is something na alright, okay din, mas malamig. Ayan yung room. And then this is the kitchen. So for small to medium size na family pwede siya. To big family pwede rin. So this is the pool as well. So ayan yung pool. Kita niyo yung pool. Ayan. So this is the stairs. Ayan yung pool. Okay. Tapos ito yung isang room. Patay yung ilaw. So this is the other room. So CR din yun. Bale 4 rooms siya dito sa villa. Tapos on hotel villa. So okay siya. I think the bed is nice. Okay lang, sakto lang. So alright, so I think okay naman siya. So we will be trying to experience their pool. So pupunta ako sa pool. Pwede pala magluto dito. So they have the induction cooker there. So pwede ka magluto. Yan, medyo madumi. Hindi pala medyo. Hindi pala medyo. Madumi. Yan, so they need to clean that one. Okay, so I think okay naman yung hotel. It's just that they need fixing. So they need fixing here. And so alright. So ito yung room namin, may natutulog na. Kaya di ko napapakita. Alright. Ito na tayo sa pool. Yan. So caution, slippery when wet. Okay, so lakad tayo dito sa ating. So this is the pool. Nice. Okay siya guys, no? I think this is good. Ayan guys, we will be using our malamig yung water. So sobrang lamig. So di ko alam kung kakayanin ko. But okay lang. Try natin. Alright, so this is the pool. It says, okay naman siya, malamig lang. Right, so try natin dito. Okay, so okay. So, I think okay naman. Pero ayun. Malamig.